This is not a bird having breakfast. This is a mobile pest control technician working on a client who weighs nearly a ton. And the client? An African buffalo with zero patience. Those little gray balloons are ticks. They attach to the skin, drink blood, swell up, and contribute nothing to society. Free accommodation, unlimited food, and absolutely no rent. Enter the yellow-billed oxpecker. Tiny body, bright beak, wild confidence. It selects one tick, grabs it, and pulls. One parasite removed. Then the bird swallows it like a protein snack. The buffalo gets relief, the bird gets lunch. But not every tick is willing to leave peacefully. Some are attached like they signed a 30-year mortgage. The bird pulls. The tick says absolutely not. The buffalo flicks its ear. The bird nearly gets launched into another postal code, but somehow recovers. It tries again. This time it locks in, leans back, and wins. The forbidden grape of the savanna. The bird swallows it. No seasoning, no sauce, no hesitation. The buffalo's skin is irritated, so the bird checks the damage. The buffalo has another solution. He rubs his ear against a tree. Because dignity is optional when your ear is itchy. The bird returns to inspect healthier skin. Then a thorny branch leaves a shallow scratch on the shoulder. Just another minor inconvenience from the savanna. Now watch the bird carefully. There is a perfectly good tick nearby. But the bird chooses the fresh scratch instead. Oxpeckers do remove ticks. But they may also peck wounds and drink blood. Bro upgraded his order without permission. The buffalo does not appreciate the unauthorized tasting session. One shoulder shake. And the bird is fired on the spot. Unfortunately, another oxpecker arrives. Now 2 tiny contractors want the same job. Personal space has left the chat. One bird gets there first and takes the prize. The second bird gets disappointment. Then the buffalo shakes both employees off the premises. But oxpeckers do not only eat ticks. The buffalo's hooves flush insects from the grass. A grasshopper jumps. The bird activates missile mode. Target acquired. Grasshopper captured, snack secured. This buffalo is transport, restaurant, and bug machine. Then the mood changes. A lioness is watching from the grass. The buffalo do not notice immediately. The birds do. The oxpeckers lift off. The buffalo raise their heads and pull the calves into the middle. A wall of buffalo is nature's do not enter sign. The adults tighten formation. The lioness moves closer, then reconsiders. This meal comes with horns and terrible customer service. With the danger gone, the buffalo heads to the mud. Mud cools the body and protects irritated skin. Sunscreen, air conditioning, and skincare made of dirt. Later, the oxpecker returns for one final cleanup. The buffalo gets fewer parasites. The bird gets dinner. Nature is messy, but the contract is still active.